911 emergency, what city?
Can you come to 1981 Embassy Street Drive?
What is the address?
1981 Embassy Drive.
What is going on there?
Can you just come, please?
What is going on?
Hey, Mom. Me and my mom are fighting. I need you guys to come, please.
What do you mean you guys are fighting? Is it physical?
It's gonna get physical. Can you please just come?
You need to answer my questions and stop telling me to send them. Answer my questions.
Yes.
Separate yourself from her right now because you're going to fight with her and it's not going to make anything better. So you need to step outside or go somewhere else.
Can you come grab an officer,
No,
please?
you need to answer my questions.
I have a fucking gun. I'll shoot her right now. Come over here.
You're making threats on a recorded line and the officers are going to be aware of that.
I don't fucking care.
Can you step outside somewhere?
No, I'm not sure you guys come.
You need to step outside.
No, come make me, nigga.
Sir, you're not being cooperative. You're not answering any questions.
Alright, when y'all ain't coming, nigga, no, I'm gonna do it. Please.
They're already going, but you need to answer my questions.
Hello?
Sir, this is 911. Stop disconnecting.
Get up.
95 Central. You have a space number for this call?
That's a negative, sir. Negative 25 on callback unit. They keep disconnecting.
For that Dominic now, do you have a space number for either of them? I'm gonna be at apartment B. I hear some yelling over here. Police department! Police department! Are you Dominic? Where's he at?
It's a fucking officer, sir.
What was that? Where's he at?
He's in his room. I promise you, officer.
Tell him to come out with his hands up.
Dominic, come on, Dominic.
Okay, sir, tell him to get out to you.
Get out of here. You want to get out of here? Hey, did you just hear him? Oh, fucking hear him? It's a fucking
Okay, okay, move. Okay. Bro, stop! Drop it now! Drop it! 95 Central. Shots fired! Shots fired! Get out of the way! Drop it! Move! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Dominic, drop it now! Get out of the way! Move! Get out of the ground! Get out of the ground! Move! Get out of the ground! Hands up! 95 Central. Now pointing a gun at me. Okay, move! I have help coming! Move, please! I'm trying to get you help! Move! Go over there! Hey! Hands up!
That's my baby!
Okay!
Officer.
95 Central. Mel has dropped the gun.
That's my son!
All 3 individuals that would need. Dominic, are you hit?
Yes, it's
Move!
sir, it's my baby!
Mel said he is hit. He has the gun at his feet. Don't move, bro, okay? I'm trying to help you out.
Hold what you have on those two. I'll hold you. Okay. Move up.
Guns right here, guns right here. Don't move, Dominic. Don't move.
Get off me, man!
Hands behind your back. We'll get you A. Hands behind your back. We'll get you A. Yeah, move them out of the way.
Hold on. Who else is in the house?
We gotta get that house clear. We gotta get that house clear. So, shoot me on this. Yeah. No. You guys want to go here or you want to go? This, right there. Come on. Sit up. Sit up. Walk this way, bro. brother? Are you shot? Are you hurt? Brother.
Sit down.
Okay.
Oh shit, man. Kill my guy, nigga. Might as well kill me too, nigga.
Just chill up, man. Okay.